Hey everyone, I'm here today to do a review of an Amore wig on behalf of Wig Studio One. This is Samantha in the color Ginger Brown. So Samantha was sent to me by Wig Studio One, so I would have a chance to check her out and share her with you guys. So I'm really thrilled to be able to continue to partner with them on occasional reviews as a guest reviewer. So this is Samantha by Amore. I always say Amore, so I'll probably switch back and forth in this video, but I believe it's pronounced Amore. Amore is a great line of wigs that run a little small and that typically have double monofilament. So we'll talk a lot about the cap and the fit of this particular wig. But before I do that, I'd like to show you what Samantha looks like from all sides. You can see she's definitely a shoulder length classic cut. So Samantha is a double monofilament top wig. She does not have a lace front though, and she has open wefting in the back. So I'll give you guys a really good look at this cap. She does fit me very, very snug, very snug. So I will tell you guys, this is a small head friendly piece, not a big head friendly piece. So if you are average large, this will not fit you. If you are solidly average, please take a look at my measurements to make sure that your measurements aren't substantially bigger than mine over the top of your head. My circumference is 22 inches. She fits me like as snug as she possibly can, and I have a feeling I might get a headache if I wore her for many, many hours. She's very tight on me right now. And then I have no extra cap along the top, which I often do in average size wigs. So this really, really needs to be, you have to be on the smaller side of average or even average petite, potentially even petite, to fit this comfortably. So let me just kind of talk about this color. Ginger Brown is such a beautiful kind of medium dark brown with some auburn tones. Very, very beautiful. You can see there's just light kind of highlighting. Not an overly highlighted piece though. I will get outside so that you can see this color. She doesn't pull super strong red, but definitely has a warm kind of chocolatey auburn feel to her. So if you don't like reds, I think you've got to kind of assess how you can do with warm colors. She doesn't pull super red. I would consider this just a really warm brunette. A chocolatey brunette is what I would consider this. Keep in mind now, I had said she doesn't have any lace front, so you're not going to pull this one off your forehead, but she does have a double monofilament. What that means is that you can part Samantha anywhere you want to on the top. The monofilament takes up this whole top of the wig. So you can part her to the right, to the left, center part. Whatever you choose to do is going to look really, really realistic because a double monofilament, see if I can get you a good look there, is just one of the, it's a little more realistic looking than a single monofilament because it's a double layer. It looks a little bit more like scalp and you can't really see the knots. So that is fantastic. Let me just show you this cap so you know what I mean. It's really important as you're on your journey that you start to learn some of these cap features like monofilament, double monofilament, lace front, monopart, left side versus right side. So there you've got your double monofilament, very soft and comfortable, a little bit of silicone on the edge there, and no lace front. Now, well, actually, you know, I mean, it's sort of like a minuscule lace right there. It's not enough of a lace front for you to pull the hair off. I think it's just how they've attached the materials to that monofilament. And then she's got open wefting, extended nape, bra strap adjusters. So if she is a little tight on you, you can cut those adjusters and give yourself just a little bit more stretch. If for me personally, I would need to cut these adjusters to be comfortable on me all day, and I really think if I did that, she would fit me just perfect. She's not so snug I can't wear her. And then you've got your adjustable ear tabs with none of the velvet soft material. I have read that these Amore wigs are more for the medical wearer, in the sense that with the double monofilament, and then also because they run so small, people with no bio hair, often when you don't have bio hair to put under your wigs, you can fit into a little bit of a smaller sized wig. I didn't have a lot of hair to begin with, so I haven't really noticed that to be the case for me since I've shaved my hair, or buzzed my hair, but it depends on how much hair you have really to put underneath a wig. Very, very natural, realistic. These fibers, they remind me a little bit of Noriko fibers. The feel of them, they're just a little denser of a fiber. They're not super fine and wispy like maybe a Gabor has some pretty fine wispy fibers. This one's a little bit more substantial, very realistic. Straight, with just a little bit of flipping on the ends. Not a lot. I wouldn't consider this a super flippy wig, at least not the one that I have. So I would say if you're looking for just a straight shoulder length style that really just looks like bio hair, Samantha is so great for that. I did notice on this one that she does like to hang in the face a lot. So you're gonna need to do quite a bit of training with her, I would say, if yours is anything like mine, to try to get it so she'll lay off the face. I have played with her quite a bit. I used water, and I've just kind of done this a lot, and that seems to be working okay. If I were to work at a computer all day though, I think this might drive me a little crazy, so I'd wanna find a way to deal with that. But realistic. The fibers are on the drier side, similar to Noriko, not super shiny at all. I wouldn't feel the need to put dry shampoo on her. And so I just think if you're looking for if you've got a smaller head and you like straight and you like shoulder length and you're just looking for a simple, no fuss style, Samantha is something to look at. I really, really think she's super cute and looks really realistic. She doesn't have permatease with that whole mono top up here. There's really no permatease there, and I don't feel any poofy, pillowy permatease. I think she has a little bit of crimpy fibers all around the cap, and just a little bit, and what those are for is to disguise the wefting. So when you've got the crimpy, really little bit of crimpy fibers along the cap, that's what that's for. So if you were out in a wind or something like that, or you wanted to do some styling, I don't think you have to worry about the wefting showing on this one at all. But you also don't have to worry about poof. She's not poofy. So if you try to avoid permatease, I don't think you're going to have to worry about that with this one. I would also say she's about a moderate hair density. She's got a good amount of hair, really. She's not super light density, but she's not super heavy. Right in between. I think she's just kind of checks a lot of boxes for a lot of people. As far as styling potential goes, I think she has some really good styling potential. Some simple styles would work great with her. So one of the things I think that would look, because you can't pull her off the forehead because she doesn't have a lace front, you can definitely though pull some of this hair up if you like to get a little bit of body, or you just want something other than a straight style. You can just take a little bit off. You can put a clip in. You can leave the fringe down. She does have a nice layered fringe here that you can just sweep to the side. I think that is something you can do super easy with her, and because of the density, you can do that and not have to worry about seeing wefting. You could also do something more in the center as opposed to the side, and again, leave some fringe down. And because of this monofilament, see that? You give yourself the appearance of scalp just like what would happen with your bio hair. So you can definitely do styles like this. I think the length is, and I do think, let me just try it here now that I'm messing her up and I forgot to bring my comb in. I do think that if you kept her low, you might be able to kind of pull her over to the side and just keep that part down low. I'm too high for the camera here. Just like that. And then that way you could pull her off of the face. You could also do a little side braid if you're good at braiding, which I'm not. As far as coverage goes, she has really excellent coverage. Comes all the way down. Look at, you can't really see my bio hair, just a little hint of it. Just like with Noriko, which also fits me snug, this style has awesome coverage on me. Those ear tabs go exactly where they need to go to really disguise my bio hair, but they're not so low on me that I can't tuck. Sometimes Noriko, those ear tabs go really low and it makes tucking tough. This one, I can tuck, and then you'll just pull a little bit of hair down so that you can't see. So she's very, very tuckable. I do think she is a good enough length that you could get her in a low pony and then just play around with it so that the style looks realistic, that you hide the cap. But you can definitely get her in a low pony. So really, really versatile style. Just really cute. I have nothing I can complain about here. Super easy, super realistic. So think about Amore or Amore. If you're looking for some really great realistic wigs and your head is on the smaller side. I'm going to get outside so you can see this really pretty color outside. I also did already do the out of the box, so you can see what I got out of the box. This is pretty much what I got. I did just have to, like I said, mess around with this front a little bit to get it to lay right for me, but really no big deal whatsoever. Thanks for watching, and here we go with the outside look. I'll talk to you guys soon. And once again, thank you to Wig Studio One for sending me this wig for review. Please check out wigstudio1.com if you're in the market for a wig. They have awesome customer service, dedicated consultants that can help you with color and questions. They also have a fantastic Facebook group. It's called Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. Thousands of women who are just there to share their experience with wigs, share pictures, answer questions. I mean, it's our wig sisters, and they are some of the best place to go for wig support. So if you're on Facebook, please check out the Wig Studio One Wig and Topper Support Group. I've been a member in that group since I started wearing wigs 2 years ago, and I just find it to be a real good help. So anyway, here comes the outside look. All right, everyone, here we are with Ginger Brown from Amore. Amore, I keep saying that. Amore, outside. I just want to call it Amore. I don't know. Okay, so pretty. This ginger auburn brown. So beautiful. So it's mid-December. Actually, we're 1 week away from Christmas as I'm filming this. You never know when these videos will get released. But we have no snow on the ground right now. We had the snowiest October on record this year in Minnesota. And it all melted and we got no snow. I want a white Christmas. I don't know that we're getting one. So that ginger, such a pretty, pretty color. Auburn brunette. All right, there you go, you guys. Thanks for watching.